Alright, here we go. So slowly, it'll just start crumbling soon and just melt. Here we go. Much nicer, these ones. These are spot on. And there's probably going to be a little bit for there. I just feel it's not enough. There we go. Beautiful. There you go. Right now we'll go whale lace. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, we'll go take this inside and weigh them. 1877. Nearly 3. What do we got? 4, 9, 6, 8. There's 8 kilo. 8.5. 8.5 kilo. I should crinkle sides up. Put the crinkle side up, looks good.